MTDCNC have some breaking news. We are in Nottingham today at SMW-Autoblok Telbrook, and they have just joined the MTD platform. So firstly, welcome. Now, for people that are unfamiliar with your business, what do you actually do?
So we are specialists in the design and manufacture of work holding jigs and fixtures, and as recent as 2 years ago we joined the SMW-Autoblok group, where we also push their standard range product out of the catalogue.
Do you manufacture on site?
Yes, we do.
Can we go inside and have a look at the manufacturing facility?
Yes, we can.
Now, Tom, Tim, we're inside your fantastic state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Now, as well as the SMW standard work holding range that you have to offer, this is where you manufacture your bespoke jigs and fixtures.
Yes, it is, in this facility here in Nottingham, yes.
Now, Tim, you look after the machine shop, but before you can actually manufacture the bespoke jigs and fixtures, and some of them are absolutely amazing, they've got to be designed.
Yes, it all starts with a salesman selling a concept. That is passed on to a designer, and he will come up with some sort of concept which will fulfill the brief in effect. Once that's passed off by the customer, and then the designer can set to work on actually designing the detail and putting some detail to an idea in effect.
Now, what kind of sectors are these jigs and fixtures predominantly going into?
Mainly we work in aerospace at the moment. We have done stuff for the food industry in the past as well, which is a big market, but at the moment it's mainly aerospace.
Now, you've got some of the state-of-the-art machines here. You know, can you kind of talk us through some of the capabilities that you've got here on the shop floor?
Yeah, in general we're using Doosan machines for turning and Mazak machines for milling. Most people in the company, the machinists, can all use Mazatrol, and the turners use the Fanuc on the Doosans.
And in regards to kind of the machine's sizes and fifth axis, etc., what kind of different capabilities have you got there?
We've got three VTC 800s. One's a little bit different because the bed's built into the bed of the machine. But the recent purchase we've had earlier in 2019 is the I-1050 Variaxis, which has got a turning capability on it as well.
Now, when the fixtures and jigs have been manufactured, they go into your state-of-the-art assembly department. Now, you know, how important is that department to you?
Oh, it was very important. It was built as a clean room in effect. We deal with hydraulic fixtures which need to be put together in quite a clean and tidy environment. Obviously machining generates swarf, and you do not want swarf and chips to get into your hydraulic circuit.
I like the pun. Now, Tom, this is not the only manufacturing facility that you have. You also have another facility.
Yes, we do. We have another facility in Hinckley, and there we do more manufacturing, and we also do assembly, and we have welding and grinding there as well that takes place.
Right, Tom, let's get in the car and go to Hinckley. So Tom, it was a quick 45-minute drive down the M1, and we're here at your Hinckley manufacturing facility. Can you give us an indication to what you actually do on this site?
Yes, so our Hinckley facility is an additional production facility to our Nottingham branch, which features state-of-the-art machinery such as the DMG 5-axis and the Huachon vertical lathe. But the best person you want to speak to is Martin.
Martin, Tom told me you're the person to talk to here at Hinckley manufacturing facility. How long have you worked for Telbrook?
I've been with Telbrook for 12 years, 2 years in Hinckley. Previously I was in Nottingham.
So when did the transition take place in regards to SMW-Autoblok being partners with Telbrook?
Soon after SMW acquired Telbrook, then Telbrook acquired the Hinckley site to increase capacity for our new owners.
So in regards to increasing capacity, what do you actually manufacture on this site? We've been to the Nottingham site today.
We also manufacture bespoke hydraulic fixtures for aerospace industry. We also manufacture trunnion fixtures, steady brackets, steady rests, chuck jaws, and all different types of work holding fixtures.
So with this partnership, is it going to ultimately increase sales of the bespoke product range?
Hopefully so. I mean, now we can focus on including the SMW-Autoblok standard parts into our fixtures that we manufacture and supply for the UK and the rest of the world.
Martin, thank you very much for your time. So there you have it. We've had a little bit of an insight into the Nottingham and Hinckley manufacturing facility. Technical corners on the products will be coming shortly. SMW-Autoblok Telbrook Swarf and Chips takeover show shortly. But if you want to learn more about the standard product range, visit EMO in September this month, Hall 4.